Caterina de Medici, who was born in Florence in 1519, betrothed on the second son of French King Francesco I. They get married at the tender age of 14 in Paris. She leaves 2 months before the wedding with jewels and personal goods, but they mainly took with her cooks, pastry chefs and ice cream making because she loved food and eating very well. Even though her young Caterina is an extremely refined and very cultured person, and she loved very much organizing gorgeous banquets. Caterina introduced the French court the new foods and new flavors that are especially appreciated by this husband, the King of France.
Caterina de Medici introduced in France also this other recipe, Crespelle alla Fiorentina. The most important ingredients of Crespelle are, of course, the Crespelle, that means frizzy, and also the sauce, that is bechamel. Both bechamel and the Crespelle, they were imported, as I said, by Caterina in French, but the French, they took it and they changed the name. Crespelle, it becomes crepe, and the glue sauce, it becomes bechamel. Now we have the ingredients of Pezzuole della Nonna, so grandmother tissue. So some wild herbs that we just took it from the field, and this is they are when they are cooked. So butter, nutmeg, flour, parmesan, eggs, ricotta cheese, salt and pepper, and milk. And then we will have also some bechamel that we are going to make soon. We are preparing the butter for the Crespelle, the Pezzuole della Nonna. Okay, so flour, milk, okay, then of course eggs, butter and salt. Salt and pepper, and I'm going to mix all together without making lumps. Okay, now our dough is ready. Now we need to rest to make firm 30 minutes. Okay, we start our filling cooking our herbs. We put the garlic and a little bit of oil. When the olive oil is ready and the garlic also is freaking, so we put our herbs, wild herbs. Our wild herbs are ready, so now we are going to prepare our filling, just 5 minutes. We are going to prepare the filling of our Crespelle, our Pezzuole della Nonna. Okay, so here we have the wild herbs already cooked. Okay, we put the parmesan. Okay, okay, be generous with the parmesan, and then the ricotta cheese. It's better if you choose the cheap one. Okay, and we are going to mix. This will be our filling. Okay, if you want, you can add some salt, some pepper, and some olive oil. Okay, we start to do the glue sauce, bechamel. So let's put the butter and we wait that will melt. Okay, the butter is melted, so now we put the flour. Okay, without making lumps, remember. So okay, now we add the milk. Nutmeg. We add some salt and pepper to the bechamel and we continue to dissolve. Okay, the glue sauce, the bechamel, is ready. We let a little bit liquid because we are going to put on the top of the crespelle and finish in the oven. So it's ready. We are going now to make our crepe. Little bit of butter, just like this, and then scoop. And then let's wait and let's pray. We already turned our crepe, so now we just wait that the other part is ready. We're going to finish our crespelle. So, the bechamel that we did, we put a little bit on the bottom of one recipe good for oven, okay? Like this. Then we take one crespella, we fill it up with our filling, that is already, you know, it's ricotta cheese and herbs. We close our filling, okay, and then we put here. We are going now to finish our crespelle, putting a little bit of bechamel on top. And then we put the parmesan, and in the oven 170 degrees for 50 minutes.
Thank you very much.
See you next video recipe. Salute.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Ciao.